Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Forex.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex.com is a US-based Forex broker that was officially established in 2001 in Bedminster, New Jersey. This broker is regulated by several top-tier agencies, including the FCA, IIROC, ASIC, and the CFTC, and currently has over 70,000 clients worldwide. When trading with this broker, you can choose from 3 types of trading accounts. And if you're a high-volume trader, you will be happy to know that with Forex.com's active trader program, you can get up to 15% cash rebates on trades, plus other exclusive benefits. Forex.com requires a minimum deposit of $100, and you can fund your account using US dollars, euros, or Great British pounds via credit card, debit card, or wire transfer. Once your account is funded, you will be able to trade Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, metals, and cryptocurrencies. There are over 500 markets and more than 45 tradable instruments on Forex.com. Forex.com supports the use of the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, but a proprietary suite of advanced trading platforms are available if you are interested to try something new. If you are a beginner, Forex.com offers plenty of educational resources, and you will always be able to make informed decisions with the market news updates and detailed research provided by the Forex.com team. The Forex.com website delivers a simple, user-friendly layout, and all the information you need to know about this broker can be accessed directly from the menu bar at the top of the page. By scrolling down, you can find out more about some of the key features offered by Forex.com, and information is provided about the supported platforms. Further down the homepage, you will also notice information blocks that prompt you to learn how to trade, how to create a trading plan, how to view available strategies, or to take the Forex.com quiz. This is perhaps a good place to start if you are considering becoming a Forex.com client. To learn more about the instruments on offer, hover your cursor over the menu bar and click on the Markets tab. You will be able to view either an overview of markets offered, or you can select individual instruments to learn more about the spreads and specifications of those products. Forex.com supports the use of MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the proprietary Forex.com trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are currently 2 of the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released 5 years later. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, over 2,000 free custom indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and more. MetaTrader 5 offers 4 types of order execution. You get access to market depth, 6 types of pending orders, a flexible trading system, algorithmic trading, virtual hosting, 38 technical indicators, and more. Forex.com offers a suite of proprietary trading platforms, which include the Advanced Trading Platform, the Web Trading Platform, as well as the Mobile Trading Platform. With Forex.com's Advanced Trading Platform, you get access to highly customizable dashboards, powerful charting tools, over 100 predefined indicators, multiple order types, advanced orders, hedging tools, and more. With Forex.com's web trading platform, you get access to predefined and customizable layouts, powerful charts with integrated one-click dealing, over 70 technical indicators, multiple time intervals, multiple chart types, and more. Forex.com's mobile trading platform features lightning-fast execution with one-swipe trading, advanced trading view and analysis tools, real-time trading, over 10 chart types, 14 timeframes, the ability to save charting preferences and templates for future use. You can trade and manage orders from the charts, and more. Forex.com offers 3 types of trading accounts, and you also have the option of trying a risk-free demo account before making any commitments. The standard account can be used with the MetaTrader and Forex.com platforms, and it is a spreads-only, commission-free account. The commission and DMA accounts are both only compatible with the Forex.com trading platform, while the standard account and the commission account both use a market maker model and support API trading. The DMA account is recommended for high-volume traders and comes with a dedicated market strategist. This account is eligible for earning interest and is more suited to professional traders. There is also an active trader program that offers monthly cash rebates for high-volume traders. The standard and DMA accounts are used by most retail traders as well as beginners, and special features are also available for accounts that qualify. All the Forex.com accounts can be used to trade Forex pairs, gold and silver, but only the DMA and standard accounts offer cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, and shares. Creating an account with Forex.com will take about 5 minutes. Firstly, launch the Forex.com homepage and click on the Open an Account button. Next, you can choose your account type and enter your email address, as well as fill in your personal details. The application process involves around 4 steps. Next, you will want to verify your email address and identity, and once your account is approved, the next step is to choose your preferred trading platform. We decided to go with the Forex.com web trader. And just like that, we're in. This is the Forex.com web trader. At the top right of the dashboard, you have your graph. The watch list allows you to easily switch between a variety of tradable market instruments at your leisure. The platform is very beginner-friendly. However, if you would like to learn more about Forex.com's proprietary trading platform, be sure to check out their in-depth platform tutorials over on their education center. This features a variety of video tutorials that cover the Forex.com platforms as well as the MetaTrader platforms to help you get started. With regards to their educational resources, Forex.com offers theme-based educational resources that are designed based on the trader's level of experience. The themes cover topics such as trading concepts, risk management, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading strategies. They include videos, helpful written guides, and more. There is also a trading glossary that you can use, and you can take the Forex.com quiz to find out what type of trader you are before you start trading. The broker also offers a good selection of resources to inform traders how the markets and trading works. Traders should acquire an analytical approach before trading, and Forex.com centralizes its research within the advanced trading platform to keep it well organized for traders to access. There are multiple news channels, automated pattern recognition modules, real-time trade signals, and analysis tools. You can also use mobile research, which includes an economic calendar, integrated research, and signals from Trading Central. The application also automatically syncs watch lists and includes easy-to-use charts. Users can also set up indicators, drawing tools, preferences, and save a template for future use. Forex.com also offers advanced charting by TradingView. auto-chartist market analysis, trade ideas, and proprietary analysis by their global research team. Over the numerous years this broker has been in operation, Forex.com has received a variety of prestigious awards. Some of their more recent awards include the Best HNW Service by Dubai Forex Expo in 2021, the Best Broker in North America by Investing Goal Best Broker Awards of 2021, the Best Forex Platform by ADVFN International Finance Awards of 2021, the Best Education by Online Personal Wealth Awards of 2021, the Best Forex Brokerage by Benzinga Global FinTech Awards of 2020, the Best UK Leverage Trading Report Awards, and the Best Mobile Application and Trading Platform by Investment Trends of 2020. Overall, there are several perks to trading with Forex.com. Not only are there multiple accounts to choose from, and an abundance of educational resources for beginners and experts, but the Forex.com trading platforms have combined all the best features of mainstream platforms to increase your chances of success as a trader. As a Forex.com client, you will have the advantage of professional guidance and support, sophisticated proprietary trading tools, and a reliable broker that is backed by a robust regulatory framework that ensures your investments are always protected. The broker delivers an excellent trading experience for Forex and CFD traders. Their competitive pricing, full-feature trading platforms, and comprehensive market research caters to traders of all levels of experience. And that is our overview of Forex.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.